Okay, if we've logged into the admin, I'm going to click PDF Form Builder. Here I'm going to take you to one that I've already set up. And this is the one that we had where we changed out the image of the sandwich. So this will be our 10th field. Over to the right, we have all of our fields, and that's a total of 10. So I've chosen number of fields 10, pages is 1, and here's where you're going to upload your PDF file. So you're going to click choose file, upload that file. Also for the PDF print version, you're going to choose the same file here. Give your PDF form builder a name. We're going to click next step. Now these field names here, don't get confused with step 3 where we're going to map to those fields that we created in our PDF. These will show on the front of the site when you're under your form right here. Ham classic price, turkey classic price. So these can be anything. These have spacing. This is what the customer sees. So go ahead and give those a name under step 2. And here you're going to choose your field type. So these are all text fields because we're putting a menu price. Except for image number 10 is going to be a file upload because we're going to allow our customer to upload their PNG file of the sandwich for this menu. Once you're done, you can check mark required if necessary, or just leave this empty. Click next step. This will take us to step 3 of 4. Under Acrobat tag, you'll notice, let me delete one of these real quick. You'll see that there's a ghosted text here that just copies over from the field name so it knows what field we're working with. Don't get confused by this. This is not already pre-assigned. So we're going to make sure to paste in our tags. And again, where we got those was from the PDF file. And each of these names that we assigned, we're going to make sure to copy, or if you've already added them to a notepad, use your notepad file, such as something like this. And we're going to be very careful. Make sure there's no extra spaces on the end of this. You want to make sure to backspace any spacing. Paste these in. Once you're done there, you're going to click next step. Disclaimer information. Since your end user is going to be creating a final print PDF file, make sure to put a disclaimer title and a disclaimer additional information text. If you skip this stage, it won't provide the validation that's required to add your product to the cart. Once that's done, the disclaimer alert message, this is a pop-up box that'll pop up if they forget to check mark. So you can add a message here, make sure to check the approval. Click next step. You'll see a segment here of all the form code, which we're going to select all and copy. Down below you see an example of what your form looks like. And the most important step, you have to hit save. Don't just copy this code and forget to save. This is important, so hit save.